Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of President Cyril Ramaphosa. President Cyril Ramaphosa has ended a week of self-isolation after testing positive for COVID-19. His office said on Monday he thanked all South Africans and leaders and friends internationally who conveyed their good wishes to him since the test results on 12 December and wished those infected with coronavirus a safe and speedy recovery. Minister in the presidency, Mondli Gungubele, said President Ramaphosa repeats his call for everyone in the country to stay safe by being vaccinated, wearing face masks, washing or sanitizing hands frequently, maintaining a social distance and avoiding gatherings. I just don't get it, why he didn't take a break. After all, it's December, and give DD Mabuza a chance to reign. Do you think he will lock the country again, since the numbers of COVID-19 people infected are rising? Please tell me your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye, good people.